Hey folks, today is Tuesday, March 19th at 6:12 a.m. Let's take a look at the markets. We got green futures today. It's pretty good. The Dow's up 80, the Nasdaq's up 22, S&P's up 8. I'm hoping that this is going to be, an extension of what we've been doing. You can see on the S&P, we're finally building up over this line over here. We had a close above the line, and then yesterday, which was really weird, it was choppy and red, and then all of a sudden, towards the close, we started to go. Good to see the buying come in, and now a gap up on the futures. So hopefully it's a gap up and go, and not a gap up into a sell-off. And the oscillator's at about a 1. You can see. So we're not 1.86, so we're not oversold, we're not overbought, we're just about flat, so that's good. I'm taking a look at the list I've got going. NVDA yesterday, pretty big swing. Was a swing of about $5, where it was up $3 at one point, and then down about 2 or just over 2 at one point. And it closed down about 86 cents, I think. Not that big of a deal. I mean, it's gonna swing. You gotta give it room. And now we have a bit of a gap up, so I'm hoping that we'll gap up and go on NVIDIA. The market will gap up and go today. Really start to move away from that support line on the S&P, and stocks will follow. ASML yesterday was at a doji. Yeah, closed with a doji, kind of gapped down and just stayed there. Hopefully, and it's gapping up a little bit now, so hopefully we'll get some more upside on that one. Spotify seems to be struggling a little bit. It's following the lower support, but it's testing it again. Might break through it. Maybe some of this news of its dispute with Apple is not good for investors. We'll see. It'd be nice if it bounced off that, build its way back up to the upper resistance line and break through, because like I said before, that's kind of a convergence of resistance right there, which might be why it was sent back down. But if we can work that off and build its way back up and then get through it, that's definitely a buy area. I added NFLX yesterday. It looked good, and then when the market kind of turned around for a while, didn't look so good, but it's made 2 clear points here, so we can have a line. We have an ascending triangle there. On Netflix, that upper line is 371.49 if you want to keep an eye on it. Tilray reported yesterday, and here's canopy growth within the symmetrical triangle. Just gapping up a little, looks like, but still keep an eye on this guy in case they suddenly start moving up. Be right around 47.44 or 47.47, right around that area. Xilinx is still moving up to the upper line. Looks pretty good. COUP, this is another one that looked like it was going to go yesterday, and then went nope, but look, it's still within the channel. And COUP, let's see where we're here. 97.08 is the upper line. CYBR, same thing. It looked like it was going to go, and I think we could probably adjust these. Give me a minute to adjust this a little higher, because we've got 2 times it's touched that point now. 114.28, like it says, they're on the high. That's what I would go with. 114.28. Boom. Check out the other one later. Etsy. Again, you can see it's now. You can see it's bouncing off the lines again, so it's following along these lines. When it breaks the upper line, that'd be an option. If the market suddenly gets weak and these break the lower lines for these symmetrical triangles, that could be a short entry also. FANG. Again, this is like just in case the oils start doing something. Big ascending triangle. I'm not showing the buy points on some of these because I did before, and a lot of it doesn't change. Or if you can draw the lines, you'll know where it is. That's about it. I like the gap up happening right now in the futures, so hopefully we get a better day today. And I'll see you next time.